Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to update the Instagram app in the Android device. Okay, so let's get started. If you are using the Android device, go to the Google Play Store. Once you go to the Google Play Store, here you can search for the application which you want to update. For example, like if you want to update the Instagram application, you can search for the Instagram. Once you type Instagram application, you can search for it. Once you search for the Instagram application, here it will show Instagram, and here you can also see like it's already been installed. Okay, so now I want to update the Instagram application. So next to that, here you can see the option called update. Click on the update button. So once I press on the update option, so it will keep updating the app which has been already installed. So it will take some 1 or 2 minutes of time to get it update. So let's wait for some time. It's getting installed. Okay, so now you can see that it has been already installed and it has been already updated. So next to that, here you can see the option called open. So once you click on open, the updated application, that is the Instagram application, will get open. Okay, so now I will press on it. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.